Jai Gurudev students. In the first part we learned the basic concept of matrices. Now we will see the operation on matrices. We shall introduce the certain operation on matrices, namely first is addition on matrices, second is multiplication of matrix by scalar, third is difference of the matrices, and fourth is multiplication of the matrices. First, addition of matrices. In general, if we are having the two matrix, that is A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, are the two matrices of the same order, say M cross N. Then the sum of the two matrices A and B is defined as the C, which is equal to Cij M cross N, where Cij is equal to A plus Ij plus Bij for all possible values of I and j. Here one condition is there, both the matrices having the same order. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. In a general, if A is equal to Aij M cross N matrix is a matrix and K is a scalar, then K into A means we have to multiply by the matrix A by the scalar K. Scalar K is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. Difference of matrices. If A is equal to Aij M cross N and B is equal to Bij M cross N, two matrices of the same order, are the two matrices of same order M cross N, then the difference A minus B is defined as the matrix, new matrix, that is a D. D is equal to Dij, where Dij is nothing but Aij minus Bij for all values of I and j. The properties of a matrix addition. Some properties everyone knows, commutative property, associative property we will see. If the addition of a matrices satisfies the following property. First is commutative law, means if A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are the matrices of same order, means M cross N, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. If we will do the addition of A plus B, means the matrix Aij plus Bij. Can we everyone seen the addition of the two matrix? That is nothing but in a matrix we are doing the elements addition, Aij plus Bij. Can we interchange their place? Yes, Bij plus Aij, because 2 plus 3 can be written as 3 plus 2. Addition of the number is a commutative. Now we will separate it, that is a matrix of a Bij plus Aij is nothing but B plus A. That's why A plus B is equal to B plus A. That's why commutative law is verified. Second, associative law. For any three matrices, A is equal to Aij, B is equal to Bij and C is equal to Cij of same order M cross N, then A plus B, first of all we will do the addition of A plus B matrix, then whatever the answer we will get, that we will do as a plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is in the bracket. So this is a associative law. Third is existence of additive identity. Let A is equal to Aij, B an M cross N matrix and O B and M cross N 0 matrix. Then A plus 0 matrix means matrix A plus 0 matrix is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. In other words, O is additive identity for some addition. Fourth is the existence of additive inverse. Let A is equal to the matrix Aij M cross N be any matrix, then we have another matrix as a minus A, which can be written as in the matrix form minus Aij M cross N, such that A plus minus A or minus A plus A is nothing but 0. That's why we can say that minus A is additive inverse of A, or we can say negative of A. Properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. If A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, be the two matrices of a same order M cross N, and K and L are the scalars, then first is the addition of two matrices. If we are multiplying by K, then we can separate their each matrix by, we can multiply each matrix by K and another second, that we will get here the K into A plus B, which is equal to K into A, that is matrix A, plus K into matrix B. Second is if we are going to multiply the sum of the scalar by the matrix A, then what we will do? K into A, one is scalar into matrix A, plus the second scalar of a matrix A multiplied by, that's why K into A plus L into A. Next is multiplication of a matrices. The product of two matrices A and B is defined if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. For example, we will take, let A is a matrix I, J, B and M cross N order. Order of this matrix is M cross N. And B is a matrix Bij, B, a matrix of order N cross P, the matrix. In the first, have you seen that is, this is a rows and this is a column. In second, this is a row and this is a column. In both the matrix, we want the first column and in the second matrix number of rows should be equal, then only the product is possible. Then the product of a matrices A and B is a matrix C of order M cross P, means we will get final answer, that is a multiplication of order M cross P. Next is the properties of multiplication of a matrices. The multiplication of a matrices possesses following property which we state without proof. First is the associative law. For any three matrices A, B, C, we have A into B into C, which is equal to A into B into C, whenever both the sides of equality are defined. Next is a distributive law. For three matrices A, B, C, first is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C, that is AC. Second is A plus B into C, A into C and B into C, means AC plus BC, whenever both the sides of equality are defined. Third is existence of a multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of a same order such that I into A is equal to A into I, which is equal to A. Now we will start the exercise 3.2, which is based on the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and the multiplication, and the matrix is multiplied by the scalar. Here in the first problem they had given three matrices A, B, C. This is one which having the order 2 cross 2. Second is also 2 cross 2 and this is also 2 cross 2. Everyone know very well this is called as a square matrix. Find each of the following, and they had given here the sub questions that somewhere we had to do the addition, subtraction of the matrices. First problem, A plus B. What is the matrix A? We will write here 2, 4, 3, 2. First of all, I am reading here the rows and first row, second row. Plus 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Everyone know very well the order of both the matrix is same. Therefore, the addition is possible. Means we will do the addition of first element of a matrix A with the first element of a matrix B. Means 2 plus 1 here is nothing but 3. 4 plus 3 here we had written, that is 7. Minus 2, sorry, 3 plus minus 2 is nothing but 3 minus 2, and that is 1. And 2 plus 5 is nothing but the 7. So A plus B we got as 3, 7, 1, 7, which is of order 2 cross 2. Second problem, subtraction of 2 matrix A minus B. We had written the matrix A. This is 2, 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Order is same. That's why we can do the subtraction of the element, okay, corresponding element. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus of minus 2 means here you will get as a 3 plus 2, and 2 minus 5. So the answer is 2 minus 1 means 1, 4 minus 3 means 1, 3 plus 2, minus into minus is a plus, that's why here we will get 5, and 2 minus 5 is a minus 3, and this is the answer of A minus B. Third is 3A minus C, means the matrix A is multiplied by 3. 3 into 2 4, 3 2, minus 2 5, 3 4. Now each element of this matrix is multiplied by which element? That is a 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus of this matrix. So here we will do as a subtraction of each element, corresponding element. 6 minus of, this is a minus 2, this is 12 minus 5, this is 9 minus 3, and this is 6 minus 4. So we will get 6 plus 2 means 8, 12 minus 5 means 7, 9 minus 3 means 6, and 6 minus 4 means 2. Fourth is, this is a very important, that is a multiplication is a main part of this lesson. That is a first matrix 2 4, 3 2, 1 3, minus 2 5. Everyone knows that is 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, order of both the matrix. So we are going to get the final answer of this matrix is a 2 cross 2. Now we will see what we will do in the first matrix. We are going to make the rows. This is by drawing a line. This is the first row, this is second row, and second matrix we will make the column, that we will draw the vertical line. Now what we will do here, by first row we will multiply by first column of second matrix, and first element is going to multiply by first, second element is going to multiply by second, and we will do the addition of their answer. Now we will see 2 into 1 I had written, plus 4 into minus 2 here written. We will do the step by step, okay. Then first row with the second column, that's why we had written in a row, in the row only. 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5 here. Next second row with first column, 3 into 1, 2 into minus 2 and their addition. 3 into 3, 2 into 5 and their addition. What we will get? 2 ones are 2. This is a plus. And 4 into minus 2 means minus 8. Means 2 minus 8. We will get minus 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20. 26. 3 into 1 is a 3 plus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus into minus 4 is minus 4. So answer is minus 1. And 3 3s are 9 plus 5 2s are 10. So 19. And this is the final answer of A into B. Minus 6, 26, minus 1, 19. In the fourth problem, we had multiplied A into B. Now we will multiply B into A, and we will see the answer of that matrix, and here is going to come same or not. B. What is a B matrix? 1 3 minus 2 5. And what is A? 2 4 3 2. Always first matrix we will make the row, and second matrix we will make the column. Have you understood? So what we will do, first element is multiplied with first, second element is multiplied by second, and their addition we will get as A11, that is the first element. Okay, 1 into 2 2, 3 into 3 9 in the second. First row is multiplied by second column. 1 into 4 is a 4, 3 into 2 is a 6. So 4 plus 6. Next second row with first column, second row with second column. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 5 3s are plus 15, and addition remains in both the answer. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, 5 into 2 is a 10. 2 plus 9 is 11, 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 4 plus 15 is 11, and minus 8 plus 10 is 2. This is B into A. Just minute, I will show you. That is A into B. We got the answer minus 6 26 minus 1 19. Means from here we can verify that AB is not equal to BA. That is commutative property is not verified here. Okay. Second, we will see second problem, compute the following. Compute the following means here they had given the addition of the matrix, subtraction of the matrix. First matrix AB minus BA plus AB BA. Now addition of two matrices, so we will corresponding element is going to add with the corresponding element. A plus A, B plus B, minus B plus B, A plus A. So A plus A means 2A, B plus B means 2B. And this is going to cancel, we will get the 0 answer. A plus A 2A. Second, first matrix is A square plus B square. In the first matrix, first element is this. Second element is B square plus C square. Next A square plus C square, A square plus B square. Plus in the second matrix 2AB, 2BC minus 2AC minus 2AB. We are going to do the addition. A square plus B square plus 2AB, B square plus C square plus 2BC, A square plus C square minus 2AC, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Are you remembering somewhere? This is one of the identity. So what I had done, I had arranged this addition in a identity form, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This I had written as a middle term. B square plus 2BC plus C square. A square minus 2AC plus C square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now are you identify this identity? This is nothing but first identity, A plus B whole square. This is B plus C whole square. This is A minus C whole square, because middle sign is a minus 2. See, so this is a second identity. This is A minus B whole square. That's why the addition of this matrix is this. In the third problem, matrix first is minus 1, 4, minus 6, 8, 5, 16, 2, 8, 5, and second matrix is also 3 cross 3. So answer also we will get the addition of these two matrices is a 3 cross 3. So obviously minus 1 plus 12, 4 plus 7, and by doing this we are going to get the answer as minus 1 plus 12 is nothing but 11. 4 plus 7 is nothing but 11. Minus 6 plus 6 is nothing but 0. 8 plus 8 is a 16. 5 plus 0 is a 5. 16 plus 5 is a 21. 2 plus 3 is a 5. 8 plus 2 is a 10. And 5 plus 4 is a 9. And this is the final answer. Fourth is first cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Plus again sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. Again this is 2 cross 2 matrix. We have to do the addition. First element of this matrix is going to add with first element. That is cos square x plus sin square x. Second is sin square x plus cos square x. Third is sin square x plus cos square x. And next is cos square x plus sin square x. And in the trigonometry we had learned one of the identity, that sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1, or cos square x plus sin square x is nothing but also 1. That's why we will write here this in place of this, that is 1 1 1 1. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.